Namibia, known for its rough terrain and arid conditions, imports most of its electricity to cater for its average demand of 550 megawatts. But the country still experiences a shortfall of around 180 megawatts. Independent power producer Zaras believes it has the solution: a liquid gas-fueled power station.
We can actually cover that entire gap with this project. So we can gradually start up in the first year to cover that deficit component, move up to the next year. We believe that there's sufficient space to actually reduce imports to a very, very limited amount. But it can also, this power project can also assist Namibia to become an exporter of power in future.
Namibia currently imports 70% of all of its electricity. Once the new power plant is up and running, it will be able to reduce that figure by up to 60%. Construction on the new power plant is expected to begin in the next 3 months. The new natural gas-powered station will add 250 megawatts of power onto the national grid, which is about 45% of the country's current consumption. Currently, energy is constrained, making it hard for businesses, especially for smaller players. Some companies spend around 24% of their costs on electricity alone.
We had to put up diesel-powered generators at high cost. Once we've got electricity, for starters, we'll have steady supply of electricity, reliable supply of power, and then it will substantially be cheaper than the diesel-fueled generators that we are using currently.
The generators will be supplied with imported liquefied natural gas, which is considered to be completely safe and environmentally friendly. The gas will be pumped from a fuel storage vessel on Namibia's coastline to the plant.
The technology is very innovative, but at the same time, it's very reliable, and and it is a proven technology. You don't need to invest capital, a huge capital, to bring a ship to the country, right? We lease it, so it's more of an operating sort of an expense as opposed to investing a capital to bring a ship and the technology to the shore.
The new power plant is expected to lift Namibia's economic fortunes. Infrastructure development in the country is gaining momentum and will need a reliable supply of electricity. The new power plant is expected to be fully operational in the next 2 years and will create around 250 jobs and lift GDP by 2%.
First and foremost, it provides the opportunity to produce our own energy, electricity, so that we can move towards self-sufficiency as a country. Secondly, it provides opportunities for job creation, which is the direct jobs as well as indirect jobs, but also for side industries around the power plant.
The new power plant is being built in Walvis Bay, home to the country's largest commercial port. Strategically located on the side of the Atlantic Ocean, the port is a natural gateway for international and regional trade. The port handles over 3,000 ship calls and more than 5 million tons of cargo, making it an attractive region for further foreign investment. Sumitra Nadu, CCTV, Walvis Bay, Namibia.